Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Dr. Sunil Chandan Shive from Somaya College of Arts and Commerce, Mumbai. Now in this video we are going to learn about how to give a citation and references in your research paper, in a dissertation or in a PhD thesis by using the Mendeley desktop software. This is a very important and interesting software. With the help of that easily you can write the references and citation in any referencing style. There are many referencing styles are there like APA, Chicago, MLA. So you can easily write your citation and references by using the Mendeley software in your research paper or in a dissertation. So that we are going to learn in this video. So in this video we are going to learn about step by step. First of all, we will learn about how to download and install the Mendeley desktop software in your computer, and after that, after installation of Mendeley desktop software in your laptop, then after you have to install the Mendeley software in your Microsoft Word also, because after all you are going to type the research paper thesis in a Microsoft Word document. So in the Microsoft Word document you have to install the Mendeley desktop software. So that we are going to learn, and after that we are going to understand how to import the PDF document into Mendeley software, and after that how to give a citation and references. So that part we are going to learn, and after this we are going to learn sometimes we download the PDF research articles which are there in a PDF format. So in that case easily we can import the PDF into Mendeley software. But sometimes what happens, there are research articles, journals, they are not in a PDF format. Sometimes they are in a HTML format. Sometimes they are just on the web pages, they are on the internet. But that references also, if you want to use it in your research paper or in a dissertation, so at that time also how to give a references, how to give a citation, that part also we are going to learn in this video. So for that, what you have to do, you just need to add the Mendeley web importer into your computer, and after that we are going to learn about how to change the referencing style from MLA to APA or APA to MLA. If you want to change the referencing style or citation style from MLA to Chicago, so that also we are going to learn from this video. So let's understand practically. So first of all, what we are going to learn about how to install the Mendeley desktop software in your desktop or on your PC. So for that you need to go in Google. In Google just type Mendeley desktop software download. So when you type Mendeley desktop download, the official website of mendeley.com will open. You need to open this website, www.mendeley.com. Okay, this is the official website of Mendeley desktop software. You need to open this, and here you need to click on download. Yes, I'm going to click on download. When you click on download, after that again it will ask you to just download Mendeley desktop for Windows. So I'm going to click on it. So when you click on it, at the left corner below side you can see my Mendeley desktop software is going to download. It will take a little time because size of that software is quite 34.7 MB. Okay, this is my Mendeley desktop software which I have downloaded from the official website of mendeley.com, and if you want to just click on that and right click and just click on open. Then after it will ask you whether you want to run this application on your computer or not. Just click on OK. Then you need to click on next. Then you have to accept all the terms and conditions of that software. Yes, I agree. Then just click on next. Then click on that and I'll click on next install, and you can see my Mendeley desktop setup is going to install in my laptop. It will take a little time because the size is quite large. Yes, it has successfully installed in my laptop. This is the icon of Mendeley desktop software. Now I am going to open this Mendeley desktop by double clicking on Mendeley desktop. and these are the different already I have installed this software into my laptop, so therefore these are the journals you can see in the desktop software. Actually I'm going to delete this one by one because I'm going to use the new references, new research article into my research paper. Okay, this is blank now. After that I'm going to open the Microsoft Word document. Okay, now here you can see this is the research paper I was writing on women entrepreneurs in Maharashtra. So in this paper I am going to insert the certain words from various articles and journals, and also I am going to use the some quotations from internet also. So in that case, how to insert the citation and references, so that we are going to learn. So for that I am going to use this paper, and after that you need to click on references. In the references you can see still my Mendeley desktop software has not installed. So for that what I have to do, I am just closing the Microsoft Word document, and again I am going to open the Mendeley desktop software, and you need to install the Mendeley desktop software into your PC. So for that you have to click on tool button, and after that you need to click on install MS Word plugin. So I click on that, and after that it is telling me citation plugin for Microsoft Word is installed. Now I'm going to click on OK. Now again I am going to check whether this my Mendeley desktop software has successfully installed in my Microsoft Word or not. So for that what I am going to do, I am going to open the Microsoft Word document. Now again I am going to click on references. Now you can see in references my Mendeley desktop software has been successfully downloaded. It is there, the open Mendeley. It means it is successfully installed in my PC. Again I'm going to minimize this window, and after that I'm going to open this Mendeley desktop software, and here you have to import the certain PDF articles into this Mendeley desktop software. So if you want to import the certain PDF into Mendeley desktop software, above side of add button you can see this is the icon. When you click on that, it will ask you which PDF journal or article you want to import into Mendeley desktop software. So already I have saved my article which is there in the folder. So I'm going to import this. I have selected this article and just click on open. Now you can see this article has been successfully imported into Mendeley desktop software. Again I'm going to import the another article just by clicking on that options. I'm going to import the another article, but I have selected that, and I have click on open button. Now you can see my second article is also downloaded. It is imported into Mendeley desktop software. Now when I click on this article, at the right side you can see the details about this article. This is the title, this is about the authors names. There are two authors are there. This is the name of journal, it is published in 19. These are the pages, abstract you can see, and so all the information. If some information is not there, so that also you can write it manually. And here at the top you can see this is the type which you need to select. This is the whether it is journal है, article है, whether it is chapter, book में से कोई एक book में से कोई chapter है, whether it is a film documentary है. So that you have to select it, but I have selected here the journal article, and when I'm going to click on second article, उसकी details भी you can see at the right side. The title of actually A small is here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write A capital. Okay, now I'm going to open this first article. The title of that article is Our Government Scheme Promoting Women Entrepreneurship. So I'm going to copy the text from this article, and I'm going to use in my research paper. I have copied it, and I'm going to paste it in the introduction part. Okay, I have pasted here. Now after, at the end of that statement, if you want to give the citation to this statement or to this copied material, you need to click on insert citation. In the references, insert citation is there. So I'm going to click on insert citation, and here you need to remember what was the title of that article. एक्चुअली जिस आर्टिकल से मैंने ये टेक्स्ट कॉपी किया था, उस आर्टिकल का टाइटल था आर गवर्नमेंट, yes, our government schemes promoting women entrepreneurship. So in this I have selected that, and after that I have click on OK. Now you can see the citation has been added. Citation is Shah and Mahajan, 2019. After that I am also interested to copy the certain part of another article. So for that I am going to open the second journal, and that title of that a study on women entrepreneurship in India. So I am going to copy the certain text from this article. Okay, and I am going to paste it in my research article here. After the end of this statement, you need to click on insert citation. Then after, here is written the search by author or title or any my library sources. So the title of that article was a study on women entrepreneurship in micro enterprises. So I am going to select that, and after that you need to click on OK button. Now you can see the citation of my second text is also inserted into this research paper. For example, these are the only two texts I have used in my research paper, and I want to write the references of these two journal or articles. So for that, what I have to do, after the references, I need to click on just insert bibliography. So when you click on insert bibliography, you can see the details. The reference style is there, is about कौन सी है, American Psychological Association, APA style is there. It means the references automatically added. There is no need to type the references manually. So easily you can insert the references in any referencing style. So this referencing style also we can change it, but that part we will see little later. But here after that I wanted to tell you if I want to add, if I am going to use the references from any internet or from web pages. So at that time also, by using the Mendeley software, how to give the citation or references into this research paper. So that now we are going to learn. So if you want to add the references और citation from web pages और from internet, तो उसके लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, Chrome extension में फर्स्ट जाना पड़ेगा, Chrome extension. Then after that you need to open this Chrome extension. Yes, Chrome extension is there, and you have to sign in. You have to sign here also, but in a search box I will write here the Mendeley. I have written Mendeley. Yes, there are many extensions are there, but the first you have to add into Chrome, that is Mendeley Web Importer. So I am going to add it in my computer or into Chrome. It is again asking me add extension, so I click on add, and at the left corner you can see it is going to download and it will automatically add into my Chrome. Okay, now after that already it has been added. Now suppose I want to add the certain text from web resources, like I want to add from I will write first a Google Scholar. Google Scholar, and I'm going to open this site, and after that I'm going to write the women entrepreneurship. After writing a women entrepreneurship in a Google Scholar, you can see there are various information about women entrepreneurship is available on the different website. Some information, some articles are available into PDF format, but some articles are available into on the web pages. There are some in a HTML format. There are some articles are only on the website. So in that case, all these web resources you can add it into Mendeley desktop software. So for that you need to click on Mendeley web importer. So I'm going to click on it, and after that you can see there are all these web resources will be appear here. Now here you can select these web resources one by one, and you can add it into Mendeley desktop. But right now I'm going to select all these web resources into Mendeley software of this page. So I'm going to click on add Mendeley. So all these web resources will be added into Mendeley desktop software. Now after that I just wanted to tell you, I want to use the information of the article which is not in a PDF format but it is on the website. For example, the relationship between women entrepreneurship and gender equality, this is available into HTML format. So I'm going to open this article. Now after opening this article, I just wanted to copy the one text from this article. Yes, I want to copy the text, these 3 lines, for example, till development, and I'm going to copy this text and I'm going to use it into my research article after Maharashtra. Yes, I have pasted here. Now after that you can change the size and font also, but right now I'm not going to change that font and size. As here you have to remember the title of that article or author. Author title was kaun sa tha, the relationship between women entrepreneurship and gender equality. So I need to check it whether this my web resources has been added into my Mendeley desktop software or not. So for that I'm going to open a Mendeley desktop. After opening the Mendeley desktop software, you can see my all the web resources has been added into Mendeley desktop, and the article is about the relationship between women entrepreneurship and gender equality is also added. Actually it is available into PDF format also, but it is a web resources. But I am going to I have copied the text and pasted into my research paper. So after that I am going to after development I am going to click on references, and then I need to click on insert citation, and the title of that article was the relationship, where it is, yes, the relationship between women entrepreneurship and gender equality. I have selected that, and after that I have just click on OK button. Now you can see my citation has been added, and simultaneously my reference is also added. The reference is kya tha? The women entrepreneurship. Yes, you can see here the relationship between women entrepreneurship and gender equality. Again I want to add the another references. Yes, I want to add the another reference on the web page. like has the glass ceiling cracked. I'm going to open this website. Title is there, has the glass ceiling cracked. For example, I'm going to copy the text from this abstract, one statement, and I'm going to use it into my research paper. Over here I have pasted here, and after that I need to click on insert citation. Then after I need to click by search. Search क्या था, has the glass ceiling cracked. Yes, I need to select this, and after that I will click on OK. When you click on OK, you can see my citation has been added, and simultaneously a reference is also added. कहाँ पे has, yes, has the glass ceiling cracked, it is added. Now after that we need to learn about how to change the reference style. So these are the all references and citation which I have added into research paper, but this is the reference style going to see APA, American Psychological Association, but I don't want this APA style. I want to change the APA style to MLA style. So for that what I have to do, I need to select all the references, and after that I need to click on style, and you need to search आपको कौन सी reference style चाहिए. Actually I want MLA style, so for that I'll click on more style, and after that you need to search MLA style कहाँ पे है. Yes, Modern Language Association 8 edition. So I have selected, I'm going to select this, and after that I need to click on use this style. So when I click on that, it is selected. After that you need to click on done. Now you can see my reference style is also changed from APA to MLA. You can see, and accordingly my citation style has also changed. Citation style has also changed from APA to MLA. Again, if I want to change the citation from MLA to any other, again I need to select the references, and I need to click on style. Then we have to select from this also, but I need to click on I want to click on more styles, and I have to change this reference style from MLA to Chicago. Yes, Chicago 17th edition. So I have selected this, and after that I'll click on use this style. When you click on that, it is selected, and now after that you need to click on done button. Now you can see my reference style is also changed from MLA to Chicago. So in this way you can simply write the citation into research paper, and you can change the reference style. You can write the references in a very systematic way as per the guidelines given by their reference styles. This is very, very important software. We need to learn, we need to use it practically to write a research paper, and after research paper you need to use it to write the references and citation into research paper. You can use it in a dissertation and PhD thesis also. This is an end of this presentation. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and please comment on this comment box. Thank you so much.